Equipment should be made to last today, tomorrow, and years to come. When that equipment does, everyone is safer for it. The manufacturers, construction workers, pedestrians, whether they know it or not, all depend on the safety built into the mechanisms and systems they interact with.
Since the 70s, safety requirements for workers in today's industry has improved tremendously. In today's environment, the ergonomics are much safer for today's worker, including equipment that is manually operated, hydraulic, and pneumatic. It is economical for today's companies to do their processes on loading rail cars, tank trucks in the safest manner possible, because they're going to save money in the long run by using equipment that is economical and keeps the workers safe and prevents injuries. OSHA, ANSI, and DOT have regulations. To meet or exceed those regulations helps keep your workers safe.
Workplace safety and cost savings are not mutually exclusive. Entire plants could be shut down over damage to a key piece of safety equipment. Now it is understood that safety saves money and lives.
Safe workplaces foster long-term employment, and they also increase productivity and worker satisfaction. Most companies in today's environment, I feel like, really want to meet safety regulations. I think sometimes not knowing those regulations is prohibitive. When companies put worker safety in first place, the company comes out ahead, and so does the worker.
Goldline International has been designing and manufacturing safety equipment that is easy for customers to operate and get the job done for over 45 years. Goldline has proved time and time again that you can do both. Your worksite can meet safety requirements, and your workplace can still meet your bottom line responsibilities.
Goldline has been pioneering the industry in safety equipment for rail cars, tank trucks, barges, ships in the industrial environment since 1973, and we continue to build equipment to meet or exceed OSHA, ANSI, and DOT regulations. The founder of Goldline International was George Lobb in 1973, and he had a vision for the industry to make it a safer place for workers. He saw people walking on plywood, and he knew he could do better. George's vision has not only affected the United States, but also company safety worldwide. We're contacted internationally by companies that are interested in our equipment because they want to keep their workers safe, even when they're not governed by the rules and regulations that we are in the U.S.
Goldline manufactures safety. That can mean following tried and true paths or blazing a new one. That's why Goldline continues to develop, design, and manufacture new solutions for ever-evolving industry needs.
Goldline is here to influence the new generation on plant safety and train them from the mistakes of the past. And part of that training would include using new and improved designs, hydraulic equipment, pneumatic equipment, and ergonomically safe equipment that will prevent making the mistakes of the past, like using a ladder to access the top of a rail car or tank truck, or throwing down a piece of lumber to access a ship or a barge. We have vast amounts of equipment that are much safer today. Goldline has diversified from just rail cars and tank truck access to barges and ship access. And on our barge and ship access, we meet or exceed the requirements for the Coast Guard. We're located in one facility in Pasadena, Texas for 45 years, and we'll be making quality equipment for many, many more years.
To learn more, contact us today.